Hello and welcome, everyone. Greetings to all our followers and friends from all around the world. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the NotPixel airdrop, the requirements for participating, the end of the mining phase, and all the important details you need to know about the bot. Before we jump into the explanation, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any of my daily videos. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel, where I share updates on the latest bots and earning methods as soon as they drop. The link to join is in the description below and in the pinned comment. Now let's get straight to the explanation. If you've noticed, the airdrop list for the NotPixel bot is now live. When we open the list, we can see the specific requirements for the airdrop. Let's take a closer look at these criteria together. But first, I want to point out an important detail. The mining phase for the coin will end on December 20th. This means that after that date, you won't be able to earn any more coins from the bot. So make sure to gather as many coins as possible over the next few days, either by drawing or completing tasks in the bot. The more coins you accumulate, the better your chances for the airdrop. Now let's talk about the airdrop requirements. The first requirement is that you must have over 100,000 coins. Now, at first, many people were concerned about reaching this number before the deadline, especially since some users were stuck at 50,000 or 60,000 coins. However, thanks to the new tasks and events that have been added to the bot recently, many users have now easily reached 100,000 coins. This is a key condition for the airdrop, and we've discussed this point in previous videos. The second requirement is the Connect Ton task, which means linking your Ton wallet to the bot. As shown in the list, this is an easy and simple task that anyone can complete. Next, we have the time limit check. This will happen on December 16th to verify accounts and check for any fake or fraudulent ones. If your account passes the check, you'll see a green check mark next to this task. There are also some additional optional tasks that can increase your airdrop amount. Star transactions. Make a transaction using the star coin. Crypto transactions. Conduct a transaction using one of the listed cryptocurrencies like TON, Notcoin, USDT, Doge, or XEmpire. I've already completed some of these transactions, but there were issues with the bot not counting them properly. For example, the transaction I made earlier didn't register, as you can see here. There's also the daily check task, which involves making purchases within the bot. However, I wouldn't recommend spending too much on this as it can get quite expensive. Stick to the essential tasks if you're looking to avoid unnecessary costs. If you choose to deposit or purchase items within the bot, that's completely up to you, but I advise caution with these optional tasks. That's all for today's breakdown of the NotPixel airdrop and how to make the most out of your remaining mining days. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for all future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!